Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to talk to you guys about easy paint jobs for beginners to start with. Let's go. Okay, so some easy jobs for beginners to start with are easy colors like red, white, or black. These colors are good for beginners to start painting with because these colors are solid in color. They have no metallics, so you don't have to worry about, let's say, something like getting stripes in your job or getting blotchiness in your job. And it's also easier to blend solid colors. Now there's a couple of reasons why I would suggest that you guys start with a solid color as a beginner. Because me, as a painter with a lot of experience, if I was to teach somebody, I would never start them off with a difficult color. I would start them off with something simple like a solid color, or jobs that have only 1 or 2 panels to paint, like a fender and a bumper. I would never start off a beginner with a big job, because if you give a beginner a big job, the chances of mistakes happening are more than likely to happen, and you're gonna have to fix a lot of stuff. So as a beginner, my opinion is start with small jobs, solid colors, things that have the less chance of you making mistakes. Not because you're not a good painter or you won't be a good painter, just because there are more chances to make mistakes with bigger and more difficult jobs that have metallics. Now colors like black, let's say like this, and I have taught a couple of people over the years how to paint. Like I'm trying to teach you guys by making these videos and instructing you the way I would instruct somebody that I'm teaching. Now I've taught a couple of people over the years, and I always start them off with these kinds of jobs. 2 panel jobs like this that are simple to paint, while I help them and I let them paint it on their own, because it's less likely that they're gonna mess something up. And if they do, and it has to get fixed, it's not a big deal. But if you're doing a bigger job with a lot of metallics, there's room for way more mistakes with those kinds of jobs. Another thing I wanna add that beginners can do to hone in their skills and to better their skills is that they could try cutting in cards. Cutting in cards is a great way to better your skills, to learn how to use a gun, to learn how to prep the stuff, and to just get used to the process. Now, I have done a lot of teaching over the years, and I always try to give the guys that I teach small jobs, a fender and a door to blend, or a bumper, a fender, and a door. Small jobs, just to get them used to the process that it takes to start building their skills as painters. So if you're starting as a painter and let's say you're working with somebody that might help you, I'm trying to do my best to help you with these videos, and I hope they're helping you. But if there's somebody there that has more experience than you can ask them to give you a hand, to let you paint small jobs like this. That's what I'm talking about. Like if you want to start and you're scared that you're gonna mess something up, ask the head painter where you work, can I paint a bumper? Or can I paint the 2 small jobs, like a fender and a bumper? Can I paint that? Especially if it's a solid color, like a black or a white or a red or a gray. There's a lot of solid colors now that you can do and you can use. Now don't be scared to try to paint metallic colors. There's also some metallic colors that are simple to paint, but you have to make sure that it's a good color match. Once you're sure it's a good color match, you're good to go. If you guys need any help with any of these other things, like if you guys need help with base coating, I have a video on that you guys can check out. I'll link it up here. You guys can check that out. I also got videos on how to clear as well. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link it up there somewhere as well. Remember, small 2-panel jobs to begin. You should be fine. It should be okay. Trust me. I've taught a lot of people over the years, and this is how I get them started. 2 panel jobs, solid colors, maybe some simple metallic colors. Even some red metallic colors are easy. Some darker blues are easy to paint. Just start small and work your way up. Don't try to start big. Trust me. It's good advice. Don't start big. Start small, work your way up. You gotta crawl before you walk. Crawl before you walk, okay? Listen to me. I know what I'm talking about. Don't make the same mistakes I made. Trust me. It costs a lot of money to have to repaint jobs. I'm gonna introduce you guys to one of the guys that I taught how to paint. He still works with me, and he actually takes my place every time I go on vacation or I have to take time off for any reason or the other. And I taught him how to paint, and he'll tell you if I know what I'm talking about. Did I teach you how to paint?
Yes.
Was I a good teacher?
Yeah, you're great. You're a great teacher.
Tell the people on camera, tell them, I taught you how to paint, right?
Yeah. You showed me how to do it, and you're a great guy.
And
you're a great teacher.
It didn't take that long, right?
No, it took, how long did you?
I taught him how to paint, and he takes my place in my job when I'm not here, and he does a great job. And he learned quickly because I taught him how to do it the right way, and he was a quick learner. So
yes,
remember, guys, he'll tell you.
And he's a great teacher, though.
Thank you. See, it's my boy right there. He knows how to paint. I taught him, and he's doing good. He does a lot of side work now because I taught him how to paint. So remember, learn. I'm teaching you how to do things. Learn the right way. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.